so today I'm going to be unboxing this advent calendar. I'm so excited about unboxing this advent calendar. I am unboxing All I Want for Christmas Blue Sky advent calendar. I bought this off Amazon ages ago, and you get, I think it's 24 days. Let's have a look. No, you get 25 days in this advent calendar. So I'm really excited. As you know, I love nails. I love anything to do with nails. So I'm very excited about unboxing this advent calendar on here. It's really exciting. Yeah, so let's just get unboxing this advent calendar. I paid £34 for this advent calendar on Amazon, so that works out about £1.36 a day. So that is really reasonable for like something nail related, I feel like. Yeah, so we're just going to unbox this quickly. I thought we'd just unbox this. And anyways, if you didn't know, I've done quite a few advent calendar unboxings. I've literally just unboxed the Bomb Cosmetics one, and I've unboxed Technic ones. The eyeshadow on my eyes is actually a little quad from a Technic advent calendar, believe it or not, and I think it looks quite decent actually for a Technic little quad. But anyways, let's just unbox it. So we want day number 1. Day number 1 is looking very promising. This is a travel lamp, so it's very handy, especially for like if you want to just do your own nails. Like sometimes I cannot be bothered to get my work lamp, my big lamp out. So like if I was doing my own nails, I feel like this might make me do them more. Yeah, this is good, especially for £1 something a day. It says it comes with a USB in the lamp, and the lamp is an LED one, so that's good. Yeah, a little mini lamp that goes on its legs like that. So cute. Definitely something I'm excited about. Day number 2 is a nail file. I've never used a Blue Sky nail file. This is a 100/180 grit nail file. I'm excited about trying that. Should we have a feel? People complain about nail files, but you're not going to complain about nail file in a nail calendar, are you? Oh, that actually feels really nice. Yeah, that feels nice. Number 3 is, I would count this as a buffer, but it says it's 100/180 grit. But it actually looks like a buffer. So I don't know what, it doesn't, like the grits, I don't know what to make of that. But yeah, I like that. If you didn't know about nail files, the lower the grit, the sharper it is. The higher the grit, the less sharp it is, just in case you were wondering. Right, so we want day number 4. Day number 4 is cleanser wipes. This is lint-free and acetone-free cleanser wipes. High shiny finish when used at the final step. So basically these are to take your sticky layer off. I don't really have many ones with sticky layer like top coat. Now I use a one without sticky layer, but I do have my Miley one that leaves a sticky layer, so these will come in handy. But yeah, I think that's a good product. How many do you get? I mean, they actually look like the things you would soak off your nails. Some people use like wipes like these to soak off your nails, but these are the actual remover wipes, and you're getting a decent amount. Does it say how many in the packet? 20 pieces, so that's good. Yeah, I like that. Day number 5, and we've got our base coat. That's good. I've never tried. Have I tried a Blue Sky? If I haven't tried a Blue Sky in a long time. Oh, the base coat looks actually really nice, and it's like a thinner formula, not thick and gloopy. I love this sort of formula. I can tell. I love a smell gel polish. I can tell. Don't sniff it, by the way. I can tell that this is definitely something like I would like. I can tell that by the thickness. It's like the formula I like in a gel polish. Day number 6 is a top coat. So this is the Blue Sky top coat. This is a little bit thicker, so it's more what you would expect as a top coat, but it's still not thick and glumpy, because sometimes when gel polishes, you can get like gel polishes, certain brands, cheaper brands, normally that are like a thick and glumpy, and you've got to be really careful how thin you put your coat on, or it will chip. It will just chip no matter what. It's all about the thinness of your coats, and this is just the nice consistency in my opinion. 7, we've got our first gel polish, and I love the packaging on this, and it looks like a starry night. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Absolutely beautiful. Day number 7 is stunning, and it's not even showing up. It's like a navy, like a royal, maybe navy blue with like lighter blue flecks of glitter. Gorgeous, gorgeous. 5ml, these bottles are also a decent-ish size. Day number 8 is on a total different scale. We've actually got a base coat, like a nail polish base coat. I've never even tried their nail polish, so we're getting a little bit of nail polish in here. I'm loving this calendar. This is so exciting to me. I love this. I'm really loving this calendar. So yeah, that is a base coat. I'm excited about this because I don't really delve into my nail polish that much. Number 9 is another nail polish. I like how they've made them separate so you can kind of tell the difference. This is like a burgundy kind of plum shade. Definitely a beautiful shade. Gorgeous. Kind of looks brown on the camera, but it's definitely not. Yeah, so that was day number 9. That's nice. The formula looks a nice nail formula, but like with nail polish you can never really tell till you actually try the nail polish. Number 10 is the cuticle oil. That's good. I love a bit of cuticle oil. Let's have a smell. Oh, it smells beautiful. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my thumb. It doesn't say what scent it is or anything like that, but that smells lovely. And I go through cuticle oil like crazy, so that will come in handy, yeah. I think it's apricot, me. I definitely think it's apricot. Day number 10 is Mermaid Glitter, so it's like a very fine white iridescent glitter. Number 12 is a white nail polish, basically so you can do a fringe or anything like that. I love a good nice white nail polish. Yeah, and these are 5ml too, just in case you were wondering. Number 13, we're on our next gel polish, which is an absolute gorgeous purple glittery shade. Don't know whether you're gonna see it. Gorgeous. So excited about trying these gel polishes. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. The formula looks nice and all. Like I say, I don't know till I try them, but it looks nice. So that was day number 13. Day number 14 is a single striping tape in like a purple shade. Striping tape, I feel like this is the filler product. The first filler product in my opinion. Striping tape is so cheap, and you're only getting one for day number 14. Granted, it's a good item to get, but I feel like they could have given you a couple more striping tapes, just in my opinion. Number 15 is this beautiful silver like polish. Gorgeous. I think it needs a bit of shaking up though. Yeah, but that looks stunning. Can't wait to try that. Yeah, it needs a little bit of a shaking up because it's been lying on its side. But yeah, that looks gorgeous. Day number 16 is we've got our third gel polish. Can you just tell I'm excited about the gel polishes? And this is a gorgeous coppery shade, like a proper copper shade. You know when we had copper when we were kids, not rose gold, copper. Beautiful. So excited about that. Yeah. Day number 17 is another nail polish, and this is like an orange red. It's definitely got an orange undertone. It's beautiful though. Really nice. Really nice. I like that. Day number 18, so we've tried our gel polishes, now we want to remove them, so we've got some removal wraps. So basically these look like, yeah, the wipes, but you put your fingers in them and they've got like a sticker and you kind of wrap them around them. I think that's really good. Yeah. Number 19 is like another like a purpley nail polish. It needs a little bit of a shaking up, I feel like, but it is such a pretty pinky purple tone. Really nice. Number 20, we've got another gel polish, and this is a gorgeous kind of blue tone. Beautiful colour. Really like that. That is really pretty. Day 21 is some silver foil. I love foils on nails. If you follow me on Instagram, I always put pictures of my nails, and I've actually done quite a few foil nails. I do like foils, but I haven't got a silver foil. I've only got a copper foil, So I feel like that's good, and a tiny little bit of this foil goes a long way, so that will last ages. Number 22, we're nearly coming to the end, is like a navy royal kind of blue shade nail polish. Really pretty. Almost looks black, to be honest. Number 23 is some more Mermaid Glitter, and this is a kind of a very purple tone. This is definitely not my cup of tea, but like nail people, like people who get their nails done, I'll use this because what's my cup of tea might not be their cup of tea. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, this is definitely not my cup of tea. The shade's just not, but it's pretty. It catches the light. Gorgeous. 24, which is Christmas Eve, they are giving you a gorgeous gold glittery gel polish, which would be beautiful for Christmas Day to do your nails on Christmas Eve, and you have gorgeous gold glittery nails for Christmas Day. Oh, look at that. Stunning. So that is really nice. Basically, they've given you everything to do your nails, whether you're comfortable with a lamp or whether you're comfortable with nail polish. Number 25 is a gold foil, which I'm really happy about because I haven't got gold either. I've got a copper one. I'm really happy about this. This would be perfect for New Year's Eve, so I feel like they're kind of thinking about that. Beautiful. That this advent calendar has ended. I love it. I've unboxed this so I can pack it away and keep it, and I'm going to unbox it through the month of December. This is off my mum for me. This is my advent, like one of my advent calendars I'm keeping to open daily. I am so excited about this advent calendar. I'm so excited to play with the colours. I probably will do different gel polishes on my nails and try these out through the Christmas time. I'm really excited about this advent calendar. I definitely feel like it's worth it. I feel like if you like nails, buy it. Buy it, honestly, you will love it. Definitely, I think this is a bargain at £34. I will link it down below for you. But even if you just like to paint your nails, or if you want to try gel polishes, you're getting a lamp, you're getting everything you need basically to do your own nails at £34. I love this advent calendar. Up to now, this advent calendar has been my favourite advent calendar I've unboxed this year. I could be biased because I love nail stuff, but I love it. I absolutely love this advent calendar. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I've got loads of advent calendars coming, and if you haven't already, I've just hit 2,000 subscribers, so I'm doing a giveaway at the end of this month for 2,000 subscribers. I'm so chuffed. Wouldn't it be amazing if we could get like 2,500 by Christmas? I shouldn't put it out there, but if I do get 2,500 subscribers by Christmas, I'll probably do another giveaway. So if you haven't already, please subscribe down below so you can enter my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!